Okay, so what do we need for this craft? We need 4 rectangular cardboard 15 centimeter into 2 centimeter, and we need a pencil and an eraser. We need 3 black or dark blue, any color which is available at your home. You can use any color sheet. 3 dark blue or black triangular papers, 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter, 1, 2 and 3. And we do need glue and a child-friendly scissors. This is my workstation. I have 4 pieces of cardboard, rectangular cardboard. Hold the pencil in your hands and let's make a V beginning at the starting point of each rectangular cardboard. V like this. I will mark it with a marker. तो सेम वी आपको सारे रेक्टेंगुलर पेपर्स पे बनाना है. अ वी लाइक दिस, इक्वल वी एट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ ईच कार्डबोर्ड. सारे कार्डबोर्ड के स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे आप कोई सा भी एक एंडिंग पॉइंट ले सकते हैं, दिस वन और दिस वन, बट वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट द 4 cardboard starting point should be same. You can place them like this on the table so that you will get the equal size. So on the 4 cardboard pieces, and after making the V shape, we have to cut it using scissors. 1, it's looking like a pencil. This is how your 4 rectangular cardboards will look. On the top of each, 1, 2, 3, only 3. Let's apply glue on first. Let's apply glue like this. Spread the glue and then apply glue and spread it with your finger on one, and then we will take the another one and paste it on the top of first. So the thickness will be more. 1 and 2. Then again spread the glue and let's paste the third one. Again we will spread the glue and we will paste the last one on top of it. And here is the fourth. So this is the body of the jet. Jet. Now we will take the 1 rectangular paper. We have 3 black rectangular or dark blue rectangular paper with me. Now we will take the first black triangular paper we have with us and we will fold it like this in half. Let's fold the first black triangular paper. Let's fold the first black triangular paper we have with us. One. Only one. We will fold the first one in the half. In half like this. You can see the center line, right? Now on this center line we are going to cut it in 2 equal parts. And now at the bottom where you can see the sleeping line, you have to fold it once, just a little bit, and we are going to apply glue on this side. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We will take the structure of the jet and on this end we will spread the glue and we are going to paste them like this. One, it will look like this, and then the another one. These are the top ones. Now with the remaining 2 triangular papers, we are going to make the jet side wings. For making the side panels, triangular paper we have with us, 2 triangular papers. And now from this corner to this corner, leaving 1 finger gap in the sleeping line, 1 finger gap from the corner, we will fold the paper. किसी भी एक कॉर्नर से आप 1 फिंगर गैप लेंगे एंड इस पॉइंट पे आप पेपर को फोल्ड करेंगे till this corner. So if I'm placing the finger like this, on the sleeping line from here till here, I am going to fold the paper. How it will look? It will look like this. Now we are going to place the another one triangular paper. अगर आपने इस पेपर पे right hand side पे रखी है finger, तो आप इस पे left hand side पे रखेंगे. So place the finger on another triangle on the another direction, another end, and then mark it with a pencil or just fold it easily till this point. From this point to this point. From this point till this point, we are going to fold it just like we have done. Hold the paper like this and cut the extra paper. And now we are going to paste it. Apply glue on the outer side of these folded paper. 1 and 2. Now 1 on this side like this. You can paste the extra paper down. Press it nicely and then another one like this. You can leave a 1 finger gap. You can leave 1 finger gap in the end if you want. It's optional. And press both the wings together. Carefully making sure that it will paste on the cardboard. We can stick the paper on the cardboard easily while using glue. And then once it's done, you can open its wing and your jet is ready. Jet is ready.